Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what are the benefits of using Reddit. Let's get started. Reddit can be a different world for users who are used to sharing posts on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Reddit is a place to discuss certain topics of interest. Any topic you can think of is available on Reddit. Just use the search text box and it will show you the communities or specific posts that match your keyword search for that topic. Before getting into the benefits of using Reddit, let's take a look at why you should take time creating an account on Reddit. Reddit is the number 6th most popular website used in the United States, while it stands for the 17th most visited website globally. And there are over 430 million monthly active users on Reddit. Most of them, around 40%, use their mobile devices to access Reddit. And that's a huge market to tap into. Now here are the benefits of using Reddit. Use Reddit for branding. If you're a brand that has already built your reputation, then you can use Reddit as another place to get a focused community of fans for your brand. Especially if you've built your presence on Reddit for quite some time now, you can create a community dedicated to customer service, for your brand's products, or a Q&A thread for your customers, or just create a community for your brand. Next, you can use Reddit to reach your niche targeted audiences. Reddit has different communities that can range from a general category, like food, to specific communities, like pizza, burger, or coffee recipes. If your brand is on that niche, you can join these subreddits in these specific subreddits since the members of these subreddits are interested to that category. If your brand is in the bodybuilding niche, you can find a community where the members discuss topics about that niche too. Redditors can get motivation from these communities. Also, communities for brands are available on the platform. Next, use it for selling products. There are currently more than 2.2 million subreddits on the platform. As a marketer, you must participate and engage with the people in the community that you want to target. Just be careful when you're selling on Reddit. Reddit is a forum for discussing topics, but there are communities where selling is not allowed, or Redditors in that community don't want to be sold at. Some communities have marketplaces, but there are some spammers who are lurking on those communities to find Redditors that they can fool. Next, you can share information on Reddit. If you create valuable content, you may find relevant subreddits to share those content. Relevant communities will have members who are already interested in the topic that you'll share. They'll appreciate it more and engage with your post. You can also share your blog's link, but be careful about sharing URL links. You can check the content policy so that you can avoid violating their policies. You can share information on Reddit and drive traffic to your website. Next, once you start getting involved in the community, people will engage with you and notice that you share valuable information that is helpful for them. Your reputation will keep getting better with your karma points. We're going to discuss more about karma in the later chapter, so make sure to watch it. Remember that people go to Reddit to read discussions about a niche they're interested in. Once you read a topic on Reddit, it gets you hooked. Once you share content that these Reddit users like, then they're more likely to comment on the content you shared, and they will appreciate it by voting your post or comment. We'll also discuss more about Reddit's voting system in a later video. Now that you know about the benefits of using Reddit, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to use Reddit effectively. I'll see you there.